Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
It's Superbird, 1970 440 with a pistol grip, real genuine Superbird. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs about this car, see photos top to bottom, and get the price. But not only on this car, there are a few hundred collector cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy watching these videos, and click on the bell icon so you can be notified first as they come out. But right now, let's go for a spin in a Superbird. Yeah, folks, this is the real deal. Got it from the gentleman that's owned it the last 30 years. It is listed in the registry. This is a real Superbird. It does have a replacement 440 motor. It has its VIN number matching original 4-speed trans. It has its original Dana 60 rear end with the 354 gears in the back. This is the original color, the Sublime green, so that's how it was born. There are brand new bucket seats and a console in here. The owner decided to put in. He does have the original bench seat that came with the car as well. Overall, it's in real nice condition. It's never been like rotisserie restored. It's a nice, nice paint, nice looking, cruise night quality type of car. The body appears to be real clean and straight. It's an older paint job, but shows beautifully. It's all smooth down here. The door fits real nice, all smooth, all lines up nice, very polished, very like mirror reflection. Part of the aerodynamics was this extra cover here. Only the Superbirds and I think the Daytonas would have that. You got the scoops on the fenders. You got the extended hood with the big nose. The headlights do open. I'll demonstrate those in a little bit there. Windshield's new. All the moldings look really nice and polished. The vinyl top is brand new. We just had our upholstery shop put that on. Correct antenna is beautiful. Reproduction Polyglass GT tires on 15-inch rally wheels. That all looks new. This side's just as nice. Things fit nice, smooth. Interior is really nicely restored. The seats are new, so the cushions are brand new. The upholstery, carpets, got Superbird embroidered floor mats. This is all beautiful. It's painted. New armrests, new door panels. The console's new. It's got the big old pistol grip shifter. Of course, it's got the big old wing. The rear glass looks real nice and clear. Nice clean trunk compartment. It's been painted green. Does have a jack and a spare. It has two jacks because you have two different style bumpers. This has both of them. It has the scissors jack that goes under the nose, a new cover, and also a new trunk mat. Sill plates are new. Door jambs are nice. Has the original VIN number sticker still attached to the door. The gauges look like they're restored. The clock is working, has quartz movement. The tachometer works. I noticed that when I pulled it in here. Original radio. The pedals look nice. Headliner's real nice. Dome light works. So everything inside the car looks really nice. Underneath the car is a good, solid, original type car. Looks like the shocks are new. I think the exhaust looked recent, maybe the gas tank. So it's had some upkeep underneath the car. The engine bay is all painted to match the car. The motor's all clean and painted, and alternator looks new in the fan shroud, and has the crinkle finish on the air cleaner with the Super Commando pie tin on the top. Got the Roadrunner horn, which I don't see a wire going to it. But there is a wire laying here, so we might get that to work if we're lucky. So yeah, motor compartment's real nice. Why don't I fire it up? There is Someone scraped the garage, not us, but it was scraped and touched up right there. The metal inside the car is repainted. Yeah, these new seats feel great. Sounds nice. Well, that did not fix the horn. That's something we can look into. The sticker on the windshield goes back to 1972. Runs fantastic. It's all about the aerodynamics. They felt they hit their maximum horsepower they could pull out of the car. This is with the Daytona. So they improved the aerodynamics to get an extra 5 miles an hour out of the Daytona, and then the Superbird came shortly after. The mirror looks new, door handles look new. So yeah, it presents itself like a show car. Just the underneath of the car is original and good shape. But up on top here, it's gorgeous. The motor compartment's beautiful. I'd say the trunk compartment's average. It's fine, but it's not show perfect. But it's a Superbird. How many Superbirds are around? This is a great one. Numbers matching, 4-speed, one owner, 30 years, listed in the registry. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people. They're willing to answer whatever questions or concerns you have. We can help with the shipping. We can help with the financing. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified first as these videos come out. So I hope you enjoyed it and come back for more.